What is up, everybody? And a quick Bitcoin update for you guys. We are on the breaking point. As you can see, the closer and closer we get to the cloud crossing, the more and more bearish we look. Even though there were videos out yesterday about Bitcoin's pumping, there wasn't much going off over the past even week or so. And our plan, this long-term plan that we've had to see a pullback down to the 200 SMA is looking more and more realistic as the time goes on. However, I want to show you something very interesting in today's video, and that is that on the downturn that we had during March, May and July in 2022, we actually seen the cloud get very thin here. And that is a similar situation that could happen to us. Even though this was on the downside, patterns tend to repeat themselves. And we have seen the cloud get thin before. And as the cloud gets thinner, sometimes we don't necessarily cross. Even though it looks here, you could see that it went red to green. You might have been long here, rode that up to here, and then been thinking, okay, we're out of the bear market. And then what happened? Boom, a huge downturn. Well, this could happen the other way around, because we could, in fact, come down, touch the 200 EMA, bounce from that, and then see a huge rise for Bitcoin's price. And that is a situation that could happen. So if you're somebody that's been thinking, should I be investing in Bitcoin right now, or should I wait a little bit until BTC halving? If you've got the money, it's the right decision, in my opinion. If you've got the money, it's the right decision to make. And if you don't have money, then go to my YouTube channel, check out this video where I'll show you the exact blueprint to make over $10,000 a month and how I did it and the exact way in which you can do it. Because if you can make more money, you can invest more. It's very hard to trade $1,000 to $10,000, but it's actually much easier to start a business, get 10 clients and make $10,000 a month. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.